Have you ever stared at a millionaire's yacht and wondered what they did differently? Today, we are not just demystifying those secrets, but we are handing you the map. And as a bonus, you will meet ordinary people who turned their ordinary incomes into extraordinary wealth. Meet Carlos, a janitor from New York. You might have heard his story on the BBC. 10 years ago, Carlos had nothing but that. Today, he's a millionaire. No notary, no inheritance, just smart choices. Number one, it starts with mindset. Let's shatter a myth. Millionaires don't always roll out of lavish mansions with luxury cars waiting. Shocked? A revealing study by Chris Hogan found that an astonishing number of millionaires haven't tasted a six-figure income in any year. Now meet Carlos. 10 years back, he was miles away from a millionaire's tag. Watching it wasn't a sudden lottery win. It was his unwavering belief that he could change his story. While others saw obstacles, Carlos saw possibilities. It's a tale not of riches, but of a transformative mindset. Before the hefty bank balance, it's this belief that set the stage for unparalleled success. It's an inspiring reminder. Wealth often begins between the ears. Number two, master the art of delayed gratification. In an age of instant everything, Carlos danced to a different beat. While many yielded to the siren call of the latest tech or that daily premium coffee, Carlos played the long game. He understood something profound. Every small sacrifice today could snowball into a future fortune. It may sound too simple, but a fidelity study underscores this notion. Saving just $14 daily from 25 can unlock the millionaire door by 67. Imagine that, trading a few lattes and gadgets for a future of financial freedom is not about delaying joy, but redefining it. For Carlos, the ultimate joy wasn't in the momentary delights, but in the promise of a prosperous tomorrow. The magic wasn't in extravagance, it was in endurance. Number three, educate yourself. Picture Sarah, our everyday librarian, surrounded by stacks of books, not just any books, but financial gold mines. She wasn't a Wall Street wizard, nor did she have a fat paycheck. What she had was an insatiable curiosity. Featured on CNBC, Sarah's story is nothing short of awe-inspiring. From a modest salary, she spun a $6 million web of wealth. Her secret weapon? Those financial books she devoured. Every page turned was a step closer to her millionaire dream. Sarah's journey echoes an age-old truth. Knowledge is the greatest currency. In the vast ocean of finance, she navigated with the compass of education. And just like that, a librarian showcased that riches don't always follow wealth. Sometimes they chase wisdom. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your favorite source of education. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start your financial journey. Number four, the magic of compound interest. Ever wonder how Sarah's modest investments snowballed into a fortune? Enter the silent, relentless worker of the financial world. Compound interest is so powerful that even Einstein, a genius who understood the universe's secrets, was left in awe, dubbing it the eighth wonder of the world. While many seek get-rich-quick schemes, Sarah embraced this slow-burning magic. She started small, but consistency was her mantra. With each passing year, her money didn't just grow, it soared, multiplying upon itself. Think of it as a snowball rolling downhill, gathering size and speed with every rotation. That's compound interest for you. transforming pennies into portfolios. And in Sarah's tale, we find an enduring lesson. In the world of wealth, patience isn't just a virtue, it's the key. Number 5. Passive income streams. Imagine the thrill of earning while you sleep. Carlos unlocked this dream with the golden ticket of passive income. It began humbly, a side hustle, tinkering and mending things. But Carlos, with foresight in his gaze, didn't splurge his extra bucks. Instead, he planted them into the fertile ground of dividend-paying stocks. Picture a tree that drops fruit season after season without needing to be replanted. That was Carlos's investment strategy. Over time, this tree bore more than just fruit. It became a veritable orchard. By his retirement, a symphony of dividends chimed in, raking over $50,000 annually. Carlos' tale is a testament to the power of smart, strategic investments. It's not about how much you earn, but where you let those earnings flourish. Number 6. Avoid debt, especially bad debt. A debt, money's sneaky arch nemesis. Think of it as the sandbag tethering your financial balloon. Ranch Sabatia, a self-made millionaire, puts it bluntly in his TEDx talk. When you're doling out interest, you are rarely on the receiving end. Our savvy pair, Carlos and Sarah, deeply internalized this truth. Instead of being shackled by that change, they danced around them, always ensuring they stayed in the clear. The rationale? Simple. The dream of earning money as you dream only materializes when you aren't in someone's financial debt. It's the silent drain on wealth that many overlook, but not our duo. They realized early that to truly soar, one must first cut loose from the weight of owing. It's not about what you earn, it's about what you keep. Number 7. Live below your means, not within. There's a seductive myth that flashing cash equals wealth. Ronald Reed, a humble gas station attendant, shattered that facade. His story, celebrated by the Wall Street Journal, is the stuff of legends. Despite never basking in the limelight of luxury, Ronald silently amassed an eye-watering $8 million by the end of his journey. What's the secret sauce? He understood a golden principle. Wealth isn't showcased in opulent lifestyles, but nestled in the decisions we make daily. It's about embracing simplicity, curbing the appetite for excess, and savoring the joy of accumulating, not just spending. Ronald's life serves as a poignant reminder. True riches lie not in the obstination of today, but in the quiet savings and investments of a lifetime. It's less about the earnings and more about the savings. Number 8. Networking and continuous learning. Imagine being in a room where every conversation is a gold mine of wisdom. Carlos lived that reality. His hunger for knowledge pushed him beyond his comfort zone and straight into the circles of the prosperous. He wasn't merely content with his financial standing. He was on a perpetual quest to learn more, do more, and be more. By joining investment clubs and flocking to seminars, he not only enhanced his understanding but broadened his horizons. Every handshake, every conversation, every nugget of advice added to his ever-growing treasure chest of insights. In this journey, Carlos didn't just amass wealth, he became a living testament to a timeless adage. Your network truly reflects your net worth. Surround yourself with brilliance and you too can shine. Number 9. Diversifying investments. Imagine putting all your life savings on a single card in a game of poker. Risky, right? That's how Sarah saw investments. Instead of banking solely on stocks, she spread her chips across the table. From the steadiness of bonds to the tangible assets of real estate and the thrill of backing startups, her financial game was diverse. Each investment was a different instrument, in her financial orchestra playing together in harmony. This wasn't just a strategy, it was an art she mastered. A study by Spectrum Group affirmed her wisdom, revealing that the affluent often juggle at least 3 income streams. It's a financial symphony, and Sarah was the maestro. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify and watch your wealth multiply. Number 10. Build, not inherit. Picture a castle, majestic, towering, a symbol of strength. Now imagine building that castle with your own hands, one brick at a time. That's the story of Carlos and Sarah. They didn't inherit wealth, they crafted their legacy. While fairy tales often talk of inheriting kingdoms, the real magic is in creating one. A report by WealthX throws light on an eye-opening fact. A colossal 86% of millionaires sculpted their fortunes. These aren't stories of overnight success, but chronicles of relentless effort, unwavering dedication, and an undying belief in oneself. They stand as a testament that true riches aren't handed down, they are constructed from the ground up. So, dream big, but remember to lay each brick with purpose and passion. Becoming a millionaire isn't about the hand you're dealt, it's how you play your cards. Carlos, Sarah, Ronald, they weren't anomalies. They were just ordinary people who made extraordinary decisions. So, next time you see that yacht, remember, it's not out of reach. You just need the map. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.